Hi, I'm Allyn Crowe. I'm a principal engineer with Nexum. This is my first mobility field day as a delegate, so I'm happy to be here and offer my insight. The event has been fantastic. I've been able to watch from afar in the past and followed the events, the on-screen portions, but being able to come and really get into the behind-the-scenes stuff also has been fantastic. Getting to hear from the individual companies directly with what they're looking to do and where they're going, and then also follow where they've come from. The presentations so far have been fantastic. Getting to see where some of these companies have come from in the past few years and what they've been delivering and how they've been delivering all the things that they promised has really been helpful for me. So I work with a lot of different clients, and trying to give them a scope of where the industry in general is at has always been a challenge. So that's been a big piece. I think the most interesting and surprising pieces has been out of Celona, seeing where the private 5G marketplace has been in the past with some of the traditional approaches, and where they've really simplified it and made it almost as easy as deploying wireless. I think the most exciting thing for me is seeing where we're going, knowing all the pieces and parts and the features that have been delivered in the past 6 months, and just some of the expectations that we have for where we're going. I think, there was such a rush to get to Wi-Fi 7. We saw it, the jump past 6 and 6E, and now all of a sudden 7's here. We already had people talking about 8, but I think what's coming in Wi-Fi 7 and how that's going to deploy. We've seen a lot of the manufacturers have said, here's our AP, here we're ready to go. And now it's coming behind, backfilling some of the features that maybe they jumped past, to be able to get an AP out, but maybe not fully support where their networks are today. So it's been something that some of my clients have definitely looked at and said, I don't think we're ready for Wi-Fi 7 just because it can't support this use case or this use case. So seeing as the manufacturers are now coming back and really filling in those gaps to make it a widely adoptable technology.